Intelligence is no longer just human, but is a partnership between minds and machines. At Chandigarh University, Uttar Pradesh, we harness this revolution with our Bachelor of Technology CSE program in Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. Leverage AI-integrated, industry-aligned curriculum and develop expertise in diverse technological domains. Develop technical acumen at state-of-the-art laboratories equipped with the latest tools and software. Learn from AI experts from top tech giants. Refine your technical expertise through capstone projects, case studies, hackathons, real-world simulations, and more. Enroll today at India's next-gen futuristic university.